You clicked on this video because you're looking to start, or you're just interested to maybe seeing what you can do as far as detailing and what you need to even start detailing. I'm gonna show you a couple of options of what we have here. Even if you have a vehicle, truck, van, doesn't matter. These are a couple examples of what you guys can use for mobile detailing. So if you guys don't know me already, my name is Hector. This is H2O Auto Detail Supply. There's 3 locations in Southern California. If you guys do it all are not in Southern California, make sure you guys shop online. I'll have the links down below, or H2OAutodetailsupply.com. That's where you'll see these beautiful things and plenty of other products. At the end of the video, we will have a special promo code, so watch till the end. Let's get into it. So you're thinking, or you just wanted to know, what do you need to start mobile detailing now? Let's start off with my trailers. So to start off with, if you do not have a truck, and if you do not have a van, but you do have a trailer, and you do have the means to put a tow hitch on your Prius, or that Lamborghini, or that Bugatti, this is a perfect trailer to start off with. You do not need too much. You do not need anything at all if you really wanted to get there. But this one's gonna have a 90 to 100 gallon tank, also a pressure washer, a 50-foot reel, nothing too fancy. It's just hand crank and you roll that thing back up again, and that's it. And it's a gas pressure washer. This one's gonna have a Honda GSX 200. I have other ones, other cheaper options if you guys wanna go down on quality. But for my Honda, it's a perfect pressure washer. You could use this for fleet washing or even mobile detailing. Now, the one thing you're not gonna see with this trailer are the other reels that we're missing, which is vacuum, air compressor, or even our electric reel. We also have a small little station right here for a generator. Yes, you do need a generator for your vacuum, powering other tools. You do not want to rely solely on your clients, because sometimes you might come in very rural areas, or like this warehouse right here, there's no outlet available to even connect to. So this trailer actually goes for about $2,800 to $3,000. It's very affordable to get into, and you could use this on any type of vehicle. Mostly any vehicle, you're able to put a tow hitch on there. So this will be perfect if you do not have the means to buy a truck or to get a van. Now, say you have a little bit more budget room and you still want to stay in that trailer. This is the Deluxe of trailers. This one's gonna have 4 different reels: hand crank, pressure washer reel, our retractable air reel, our electric extension cord reel, our vacuum reel, and this one's gonna be 30 foot, 50 foot, 50, 50, and they are all on our skid frame. This one's gonna have a generator with it. This is gonna power every single item that's on here, even the house that you need to somehow turn on. This one's gonna have a pressure washer on there. We can swap it out for another one. This is a Predator motor, but it still has a great pump on there. It has a AR Viper pump. These pumps produce high PSI. They're very reliable and industrial, not your commercial Home Depot stuff. Do not get it twisted. There's a difference. It's gonna be a lot easier. Pull the reel out, get to town. You need to go home, the wife's waiting for you. So it's things like this that are gonna make your job easier and make you look like a professional, because you are the professional. That's why they hired you, right? For the water tank on this one, it's still a 4x4 trailer, but we're adding more things. We can't put a bigger tank than this. We're already at the limit. So what we have right here is a 50-gallon tank. What you can do with 50 gallons, you could probably do about 3 to at most 4 cars. But we're already pushing it at 3 cars. So this is definitely gonna be for someone that is detailing, not as much fleet washing. If you do wanna get into a bigger tank, but still want all this stuff on there, then we're gonna need our heavy duty utility trailers. What does that mean? It's a bigger trailer, probably be a 4x6 instead of a 4x4. More money, that's it. Now, this is something that is new. It's a new category in our business. We posted this and we made this just because we had an idea and we're just like, what if we put it to life? What if we made a cart, someone for mobile, someone for their house, that just wants their system on something organized and mobile, but you're not gonna take it too far. If you wanna take this down the street, you can take it down the street by any means. All we need is a little motor. But this one has all of our equipment on there, our pressure washer reel, this thing inside of there. There's even a water tank inside of there, so we could wash a car literally anywhere if we have it connected to a power source, which nowadays there's electric generators that could go on here and be powered by the sun. Super easy. So this is another item of what we have, and there's a couple different variations to these detail carts. They do start at $1,500 and they can go up from there. Whatever else you add on there, if you want this type of pressure washer, you want that reel on there, so just add that on top of it. And if you guys are out of state, it's just plus shipping, which we do ship either one of these. All these items that you see here are shippable, so don't be afraid to contact us, fill out that form, and see what we can help you with. One of our representatives will get back to you on that. This is another example of the detail cart. But if I show you, this one's standing up. This one's gonna be standing up, a lot slimmer, it can fit the doorways. This can fit the doorways as well, but this one's gonna be a lot slimmer. And then it's gonna have our gas pressure washer. So we do not need any electricity to power the pressure washer that's on there. This one solely drives off of gas and you're perfectly fine doing so. This is another variation right here. I love this color. It's gonna have a pressure washer at the bottom, which is a Krenzel, and then our hand crank reel right here, and our 2 buckets right at the back. So you don't need the trailer, you don't need the detail carts, but now you have a van and you want to install the equipment yourself. We have skids literally available for you guys to install yourself, or if you want us to install it within a matter of a couple of hours. You can literally come out of state, come from anywhere, and we can get this done in a couple of hours. No waiting, no big long wait times, and get it done professionally by professionals. It's super easy. You guys do the details, we do the installs. We worry about these details, you worry about those details. But you're gonna see the same thing happen all over again. There's gonna be different variations. Whatever you wanna put on there, if you don't want it with this reel, if you don't want it with that color, I'll swap it out. And that's what we do. But this is one example of what we have already available online. And I believe this one's going for $4,200. This one's gonna be including your reels, which is your pressure washer, air, vacuum, 50 foot. And then it also has a base right here, which is modular. You can move it either side, and you can put your pressure washer, which is, if it's electric, gas, don't matter, it'll fit there. Now in the back, we have a 100-gallon slim water tank. This one's gonna have a water tank frame and a slim water tank. This would fit any small vehicle. I do not recommend getting this skid for a bigger vehicle. I recommend you letting us know and we accommodate the frame for the size of vehicle which you have, just to make it look a lot more presentable and custom fitted to your liking. But if you do at all like the price and you like this skid, put it in there, make it happen. But this fits any small vehicle as far as their Ford Transit Connects, Nissan NV200s, Ram ProMaster Cities, Chevy Cities, and so on and so forth. And it fits any of the other vans as well. But it does fit the small vans in particularly. This one does have a chemical rack on there. You could either get a smaller chemical rack or a larger chemical rack. We do leave this space right here so you can put your vacuum and your air compressor along the side. Let me show you something else though. Even for in-shop detailing, we have made detailing setups. So this is something you can install in your garage, shop, and it'll be perfect. It has a 100-foot reel, your foam cannon, your pressure washer right at the top. We sell these with equipment or without equipment. If you guys do at all are interested, we have those available. Or if you're looking to create something that you have in your mind, let's get on the phone, let's chat about that. So if you guys have any questions, if you guys want to check these out in person, those 3 locations will actually have the exact examples I'm showing you here in person. Or if you guys want to check them out online, go to H2O Auto Detail Supply you'll find a link right there where it says detail setups. You'll see vans for sale, trailers. You'll also see skids on there too. And I do want to make a video on a more beginner setup, not even using any of these welded platforms, maybe something that we could put together from Home Depot and buy some things online for. So if you guys do at all want to see a video like that, comment down below. For those of you waiting for the promo code, use H2O Junior 15 for 15% off at H2O Auto Detail Supply.com, or even in person, let us know and we will accommodate that discount for you.